Okay, so next we're going to look how to upload student details. So how to upload the student details. So you go to upload details from CSV. So in your Excel file, you're going to have an Excel file that will have various columns. The first column will be names, class, gender, type, father's name, guardian's name, father's phone number, the mother's phone number, guardian's phone number, father's email address, mother's email address, and the guardian's email address. So it will have 14 columns with the following details respectively. And then, so we'll just browse it, save as CSV, and then upload the file. So first we'll need to create the Excel file containing the student details. So how to create an Excel file? We'll open Excel. So we open an Excel file. Then, so we need to have the various columns. So we can see these are the column names. So these are the column names, the names, admission number, the class, all the way to father's email address. So also you have the option of clicking download sample. And it will give you, you will have that option of getting the how this sample student details Excel file and how it should look. So so let's create now the Excel file. Okay, so we have our Excel file containing these various columns. So you just key in all the details with the names. That way, so you fill in the names of the students, their admission numbers, with the class name. So if it is class 5 or grade 1, grade 2, that way. Then the gender, male, female, student type, father's name, mother's name. So you'll fill all the details depending on those details that are available. So if you don't have this father's name, you leave it blank. If you don't have this, you leave it blank. Then your guardian's name, you leave them blank, and so on and so forth. So once you do that, so you remember to save it. So you save the file. So remember, you can save it as student details, and then the type, ensure you save it as .csv. Again, so once you do that, now the only thing that remains is just uploading now the details. Okay, so how to upload the details? In order to upload the details, so you'll go back to the browser. So you go back to the browser, and then you upload them. So back in the browser, you go to student admissions, upload details from CSV. So from here, all you have to do is just choose the file, browse for that particular file, and then all you have to do is upload that details. And with that, now you'll have been able to upload all the student details. From there, you can view the details under edit student details. So this you can view all the school students in the school with their various details. Also, you can add and delete. Now, for example, if you want to edit a particular student details, you click here, edit. So with this, you can change the details, admission, the names. Also, if the student now has transferred, so you will deactivate that particular student. So you click here, then click deactivate. You can change the type, the zone, the estate. All of these details can be changed. You can also add the parents' details. You can change the medical details and also the custom field. So you can also edit the various details from here. And then after that, you click update. So you see we can deactivate and also edit the various details. Also, under admissions, we have inactive students. So this is where you will be able to see all those students who have been deactivated. So you see we have this student who has been deactivated. The same process, you can activate him from this place, and then with that now you'll be able to activate that student. Then from now also under admissions, you can be able to view the parents' details. So we have like a given student, we have the student name in each class. So these are the parents' details. So we have this particular parent, the mother, this parent, the father, their phone numbers, the email address, and so on. And also, so this information you can print it or you can download it in Excel. So from it, that's how you'll be able to view the various parents' details and admissions. So then lastly, we have reports, which will show you the reports for all the students. So you see we have the admission student name. So here it will just show you all the details of a given student, all the way from the allergies and so on, the transports, the blood groups, the parents' email address. So that falls under the student details report. Also from here you can decide to check students depending on the admission number. You can decide you want those of the day or boarding only. You can decide you want to check only active or inactive students. You can decide to filter by transport zone, by gender, by age, by the class name, phone number, and so on. So that also you'll be able to get those reports under admissions report. So with that, that's everything under admissions. So I hope you are able now to understand how the admissions module works. And so thank you. And I hope if you have any questions, you can feel free to ask. I hope that has been helpful. Then see you next time on another module.